Hi, on this vlog I'll teach you how to install a dash cam hardware kit. You can order on Amazon and the kit is coming and looks like that. Inside there is a cable which gonna power the video camera, because the way it is right now it's powered by light cigarette. So when you turn the engine off, the camera turns off, so you don't have protection when you stand by. With this cable you're gonna have that protection. So what's inside on Amazon? It's the hardwire kit for car dash cam. It's for 24 volts or 12 volts. Depend on the battery. And it's got a switch right here. In this case I have 12 volts battery, so you can set it at 11.9 or 11.6, 23.4, 23.8 volts. On the line up it's for 12 volts. On the line down it's for 24 volts. The kit, this computer is gonna show the voltage right here on the screen, and right now it's set for 11.6 to save the battery. If the voltage on the battery goes lower than 11.6, cut off the power, so it's not gonna discharge your battery, so you can start the car. So there are two sets of wire. This one, which goes where is the fuses on the left side of the car. There is fuses right here. You open and test which one it's hot all the time, and which one is hot when you turn the battery, when you start the engine. And this wire goes to the camera, power to the camera, and this wire goes to the fuses. You connect those by pushing in this one and this one, and this one to the ground. Find a screw which connects to the ground of the car. So according to the instruction, the black goes to the ground, always. Ground car. Find a screw and attach it. The yellow goes to battery plus. I mean, all the time, even the engine is not running, it's got power, 12 volts. And the red goes to accessory. That's mean when start the engine and is running, the power it's coming through here. When you turn off the engine, the power it's coming through this. If the battery drops to 11.8 volts, shuts off this chip, the power to the camera. This camera, it's very, very low power consuming, 1 to 3 amps, 5 volts. So it's gonna be a long time the car to be parked. So you find the fuse. What else is coming in a kit? A tool. You're gonna run the wire, 3 wire tiders, and one extra, I don't know what's this for, because it's the same thing here. Prior to extend it or disconnect it, much easy. So you have to use this battery fuse puller and see which size you're gonna use. I already pulled one, which is accessory, and match this side. So this fuse is for the camera, it's 5 amps, and this one is for the accessory. So you put the battery after the fuse after you pull it from the fuse, and push it down here. Looks like that. This is accessory. So this one, I'm gonna connect it to the yellow, to the red, I'm sorry, which is power when the engine starts. So you push it like that. And it's connected. It's got insulation, but to be sure, put more duct tape, electrical tape, make a short. Put it on this side. Okay, on the yellow is gonna be the fuse, which is all the time hot. It's got power, goes right here, and this goes to the ground of the car. So this is the second one, okay, which goes to the yellow. Okay, same thing, use duct tape, electrical tape, don't use duct tape. So we are all set up here. I don't need this one. The other are for different size of fuses for different cars. You have to match those, you see. So doesn't matter what car you have the connections right here. So we don't need this, we don't need that, we need this tool, which is gonna run the wire. Also, I order on YouTube these cable clips, adhesive cable clips. Looks exactly like that. Peel off the white and stick and hold the cable. I will show you in a car in a moment when I'm going over there. The scheme installation wiring diagram shows if you have the camera up here by the mirror going to the left and down and going to the electrical. For me, I'm gonna go like that put here this right here and unplug the cigarette, you know, take it out and run this one to the camera the same way. So let's go and do it. Here is the fuses. Right there. And is the cover which tell you what fuses they are, and you need a voltmeter like this one to check which fuse you're gonna need it. You connect to the ground and see the voltmeter. I'm gonna use this one, this C 12 volts 17. It's this fuse. It's all the time, the car is not running. This one, it's a spare fuse. The one I remove it's right here, and it's after you start the engine. I insert the hot fuses, and this is accessory after you shut off the engine. And I'm gonna put it in a place there it was. The car is locked. I unlock it. And we go inside. You see the camera. It's on. It's running. That means it's recording inside, is recording in front, and is recording in the back of the camera. So what I did, I remove the power, the old power, which was going to cigarette lighter. It's right here. And I run the new hardwire. It's this one to the door like that, underneath, incoming, and right here is the chip which controls the camera and the voltage of the battery. And if the battery voltage drops to 11.8, shuts off the camera, so you have plenty power to start the engine. and then I run the wire here underneath, and here is the fuse. Let me show you. Here is the connection. The red, the yellow, and the ground I connected. So everything else, you know, it shows the car it's off. I'm gonna start it. Right now the car is started and the camera is still filming. All three cameras. So it's 24 hours protection. So you can see the camera, the engine is running. I close the door. Open. And everything else, it's working. The AC, it's working. So that's pretty much it. Let me show you on the other side. The camera wires running right here, underneath, and it's coming right here. I don't know if the camera shows. The voltage 12.3. It's been running 24 hours, and now I have the cigarette lighter available so I can use it. So it's more than 24 hours running, and still the battery very good. It's gonna shut off by itself, you know, so it's not gonna consume the battery. So camera, front camera and indoor camera, and the camera in the back of the car are running. So that's an improvement and protection 24 hours with the car. If you are in a parking lot and somebody hits you or try to steal your car, the camera records. Okay.